So first, open up your web browser and go to HootSuite.com. Now once you're in here, you can log into your account by clicking on the dashboard. And from here, you can click on create a post right here, or you can also click on this plus icon and you can create a post. You can also create a post with AI, and you can create an ad and so on. So for this one, let's go ahead and create a post. It is going to take you to this page, and I already connected my Instagram account, so you can see it here on the right side panel. So you can start your post by writing a caption. So for example, I will say trying out HootSuite. So you notice as you are typing here, it is actually going to appear on your right panel. So this is what it's gonna look like on Instagram. Now after that, for Instagram, you are required to add an image. So right below, you will have an option to add your own media by uploading from your computer, or you can choose from your media library. But here, you can also use Canva to create your design. So for this one, let's go ahead and choose Canva by clicking it. And here you will notice that it is going to give you an option of which platform you want to post, and it is going to give you the exact dimensions you need for that post. So say for example, if you are going to post a Facebook ad, the dimension for that would be 1200 by 628 pixels. For a Facebook post, this is going to be 940 by 788 pixels. For an Instagram post, it's gonna be 1080 by 1080 pixels and so on. So for this one, let's go ahead and choose Instagram post. And it is going to take you to Canva. So let's create our post. Let's choose this one for example. I will just say good morning and a picture of a cup of coffee. Now after that, if you're happy with your design, if you're done designing it, you can go ahead and click on add to post. So here it is already uploaded, and you can see from the right side panel like how it is going to look like on the Instagram screen. Now after this one, you will have few options. So right below it, you can either post it now, or you can also schedule for later. So for this one, let's choose schedule for later. And for here, we can choose the date by clicking on this calendar icon right here. And maybe we can choose Tuesday. And here you can choose what time you want this particular post to be triggered. So for example, here, since it's a good morning, so maybe I will choose 6 a.m. And then after that, just click on done. And after that, click on schedule. So it is going to open up your calendar, and from here you can see all your scheduled posts in one place. So after that, if you want to post the same content on the next day, you can actually click on the three dots in here and click on duplicate. So you will have the same exact post, and you can choose again. For example, you can click on which date and time you want this to be posted. So let's click on the calendar icon here and choose 17th, and click on done and click on schedule. Now we will see that there is going to be two similar posts or two identical posts on the following day. Also, you can click on the date, and it is going to give you an option to post or post on Pinterest, add a Facebook campaign, LinkedIn campaign, or Twitter campaign. So if you want to post another content for this one, just click on post, and it is going to take you to the same page, and you can start creating your post. Now after that, if you want to monitor your account or your posts, you can go to more and click on the three dots in here and click on streams. So it is going to open up a new page, and in here you will see all your social accounts and you can monitor them. So in my case, I connected my Instagram. So here I can see my posts from the last 7 days. So it shows that I posted nothing on the last 7 days. I got 0 engagements and engagement rate, but it is going to be different from yours. So all your post engagements and rate, you are going to see it in here. And in that way, it would be much easier for you to monitor your engagements and also connect with the people who engaged your post. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is how you can use HootSuite to manage your social media accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.